and we're gonna go and park somewhere beautiful in the bay so we can watch the sunset and then head home. We don't have any barbecue with us or any fishing gear, so it's just a leisure ride today. Got my wife with me here and other. The sun's about to set in a couple of hours. We're kind of the only boat in here. There's another one behind me, probably waiting for the sunset as well. Got a beer, obviously no alcohol, because we gotta drink responsibly. Amazing spot here, beautiful, beautiful. Guys, so first swim of this year, 2020. Woo!